Kākou. I look a little bit hash. Do I? I don't know. Today it is Po'aha, which is Thursday, and it is Nohea Mapa Iwakalua Kuma. Oh my gosh, I hate these things. Sorry, wait. Iwakalua Kuma Valu, which is November 28th. I'm gonna close the door because it's a little bit loud outside. There, that's a little better, I think. Okay, this is gonna be my get ready with me Thanksgiving edition. So in Hawaiian we say ʻAʻole la mahalo, which is like happy, thankful day. Mahalo means thank you, thanks, thankful. I'm getting Oreos, guys, so sorry. We also say ʻAʻole la Mai Kākou, which is just like, Mai Kākou is just like a really good day. So like Thanksgiving, good, you know, goodness, Thanksgiving goes hand in hand. I hope I'm making sense because this is a different language than English. Okay, so it's all like very poetic, you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm trying to figure out like the best camera angle, so I don't know what that is yet. Oh my gosh, it would have been bomb.com if I used my car mount and put it and stuck it to the mirror. I'm too lazy to go downstairs. Okay, so you're just gonna deal with this. Okay, it's currently 12:30. We're having a Thanksgiving party at Darren's auntie's house down the road. She literally lives like 5 minutes away, and it's at 1, but of course we don't need to be there exactly at 1. I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Darren's mom is currently using our oven because her oven, she's using her oven as well. She has a lot of things that she's making. I still have to make candy yams, but I like it when candy yams are like so crispy when you eat it. And when we get there, I'm pretty sure we're not gonna be eating right away, so I want to make sure it's like crispy still, so when we eat it, it's not like a sogginess, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, things I'm thankful for this year while I do my makeup. Should I put this on my other channel? I don't know. So this year is not over, but so far I'm thankful that I was able to work for the state. I'm thankful that I have the opportunity and kind of like the calling to stop working there and to stay at home and be a stay-at-home mom and work from home. I'm thankful I'm able to make an income and provide for my family while staying home with my children. It's such a blessing. Seriously, like, this is, I got it. I love doing what I do, and I'm also planning on focusing really on our YouTube channel. I have so much ideas. Like the past 3 years, I have so much ideas, like so much creative ideas, so much things I want to do. I don't want to say them, I don't want no one else to do them. I just have so much like original ideas. I wanted to do so many challenge videos. I never had the chance to do them, and now they're kind of like old trends, and that kind of sucks, but that's okay. It's okay. I want to actually try and succeed at doing YouTube for a living because I want to be able to do what I love and like have fun doing what I do for a living and be able to provide for my family. So if you guys want to help me out and help me with, sorry, I put lotion between my teeth. If you want to help me out and get to, I guess, my goals, well, definitely always like my videos. Of course, if you don't like them, you don't have to like them. I'm not gonna force you to do that. If you like them and you know, please thumbs up that video. Try, and if you are able to comment anything, if you have nothing to say, like you don't know what to say, because I get like that, I literally like write on people's videos like aloha from Hawaii with like a little hibiscus emoji. That's kind of like a trademark comment that I comment on everyone's videos. Like that's a lot of times I comment that on everyone's videos, like regardless, and then if I have something else to say about it on comments again, yeah, tell me like where you're from. Aloha from blah blah blah, or greetings from blah blah blah, you know what I mean? It also lets me know like where my viewers are from, which I think it creates a little personal touch to your comments. I don't know, yes, that is my plans for the future of this YouTube channel and my other YouTube channel. I still like have videos I filmed and I just haven't had the time to edit them, and I'm currently trying to catch up with all my vlogs, and it just gets really hectic and hard, and I have sleepless nights. I'm like not kidding when I say I don't go to sleep. I really don't go to sleep. I stay up the whole entire day. It's crazy. Hopefully be able to balance like both, that way I'm able to make some income and really focus on my YouTube channel. I don't know, sometimes I think it was easier that I had like a regular job and I did YouTube, because like I said, owning your own business and doing your own business, you have like no time at all, and like every second counts, and it's a blessing, but it's really hard. And also I feel like this is a big, I thought this fit me like really well, but it keeps kind of like sliding off, and I don't know if it's like too big for me because I can see my bra strap. What size is this? I still have the tag on. It's a medium. Maybe I should have got a size smaller. Sometimes certain clothes I fit small, sometimes I fit medium, sometimes I fit larges, and it's like, why can't clothes just fit like they're supposed to? I don't know. Guys, I also brought this Shane Dawson palette. I don't even think I like announced that, or did I vlog it? I felt like I vlogged it. You know, I don't know. I really don't know, because that was the time when I had my camera and I just didn't have any space on 3 memory cards and my external hard drive. So I recently bought a new external hard drive. Yes, so expensive, and I feel like, why did I spend so much money? But it's because I needed it. But yes, we're going to be using this Shane Dawson palette today. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of powder. The kids are outside. They're watching Disney Plus right now. Bruh. Babes in Toy. They have Babes in Toyland, bed knobs, and broomsticks on Disney Plus. You have to kind of search for it. I think it's actually under the oldies or like nostalgia. No, I don't know. It's like a certain category. And the Sound of Music, oh my gosh, like the hills are alive with the sound of music. Oh. Okay, so a little backstory of the Shane Dawson palette. We just opened up our first Morphe store here in Hawaii at Ala Moana, and I didn't even know, like I just was at Ala Moana doing some meetups and I was like, there's a Morphe store. I was like, what? I was so shook, and I was like, okay, cool. Shane Dawson's palette came out and it was sold out everywhere online. I seen like people buying them at the Morphe store. I was like, oh my gosh, like I think they might have the Morphe store. So I went to the Morphe store, but so we have a savings, and some of our savings is in like a money box in our house, and that savings is supposed to go to Disney, but I wanted to use part of it to buy the Shane Dawson palette, and I was gonna take out the money, but then I was like, you know what, I shouldn't take the money for our Disney vacation to buy this Shane Dawson palette. Like I know we're gonna make more money from since then, but I was like, no, be good, Nohea. Be good. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. I went there at the Morphe store at Ala Moana, and they had the Conspiracy palette, and I was mad at myself because I should have just bought it. I should have just brought my money, but I didn't, specifically so I wouldn't buy anything to save money, but I wish I did now, because I decided it ate up at my mind, and I was like, I gotta my setting powder went in my nose, I think. So I kept thinking about it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I should have bought it. So I went back, and they didn't have the Conspiracy palette, but they had the Mini Controversy palette. Yes, I love how it's like super shiny. This is what it looks like. Is what it looks like. Oh, love it. Look at these shades. Why did I think there was orange in there? Like I'm wearing like a rusty looking orange, so that's what I want to Wait, I forgot. I'm not even gonna use this palette because I just got my lashes done last night, or yesterday. I mean, not last night. I just got my lashes done yesterday, and I'm not gonna mess up my eyelashes. So sorry. I'm gonna be putting on some deodorant. I got the 2 charcoal detoxifying tea tree natural charcoal deodorant. It smells like it has mint in it. I think it has like mint. Well, I think, I don't know, is that what the tea tree is? I don't know. Oh my gosh, I should have got a size small in this. My tatas are gonna come out and I'm going to my husband's family's party. Look at my tatas hanging out. Oh my gosh. By the way, what I'm doing is like my everyday, not everyday because I don't wear makeup every day, but my go-to everyday makeup, the natural look. Spray my face with some setting spray. I'm using the NYX matte one. I like the matte finish more lately. I was really into dewy, like I was doing dewy all the time, but then it was getting really humid and hot here in Hawaii. Then I stopped. I use this palette to fan myself down. I'm gonna be using the Bretman Rock highlighter palette. Can you guess which one is the one that I use? Oh my gosh, I just totally... When I get my eyelash extensions done, I try not to mess with them for like a good full 2 days. And yeah, this is my makeup. This is what I look like. This is my natural everyday makeup. Yeah,